Hello and welcome to week 8. This week we'll be getting back into our content with the study of developmental psychology. You'll be exploring how psychologists understand growth and development in terms of physical growth, emotional growth, cognitive and intellectual growth, and so on. This is one of the longer chapters, even though it's in 3 broad sections. There's a lot of theory and a lot of information being presented in this chapter. You'll start with the prenatal process of development and then infancy. Then we'll move on to talk about some theories that are associated with development, especially on the cognitive side. And we'll start with, talking broadly about language learning, but then looking at Piaget and Vygotsky's approaches to understanding how development in terms of cognition and socio-emotional development work. Then we'll move on to looking at a variety of topics, including moral development. So how do people develop the capacity to make moral judgments, and how do those judgments change across childhood and into adulthood? And then finally, we'll look at a lifespan model in the form of Erik Erikson's model of development. Your tasks for the week, and given that you spent last week writing your papers and I'll be spending this week grading them, we're taking a break from work on the Psychology in the News project. You'll be doing your Chapter 7 reading and posting your annotations on perusal, watching your lecture videos, and taking your quiz for Chapter 7. And that is my overview of week 8.